Vannari is very much the emergency vehicle builder that I've always wanted to be part of. I've operated in this space for the last 15 years and it's such a special place to me. I genuinely think we've got the most incredible emergency services in Europe, and I think the UK are very proud of that. So for us to operate as a manufacturer for our NHS Ambulance Trust and for the UK Fire and Rescue Services is something we're all so proud of here. So at the start of 2019, I went into O&H Vehicle Technology as a turnaround managing director. We've got a 64,000 square foot factory there, and it's not only about the physical space, it's about the experience of the workforce. We've without question got the most experienced set of ambulance builders in the UK ambulance manufacturing market. It was clear that the company has got a certain amount of magic that it's grown over the last 32 years. So our chairman, Ken Davey, and I got together and we made the acquisition of O&H. We have the capability there of turning out over 700 ambulances a year. So we've got, without question, the largest capacity of ambulance manufacturer in the UK market. By 2021, we aim to be the largest ambulance manufacturer throughout Europe by utilising the nucleus and the core of our fabrication, auto electrician and coach building expertise. So Vannari is very much the group headquarters and our firefighting division. So it always starts with our design engineering team of mechanical and electrical design engineers. Whether we're building one of something or whether a customer wants 1,000 of another machine, we can always manufacture in serial production identical, whether it's Unit 1 or Unit 1000. Vannari is British, born and raised, but Vannari is a Latin word meaning to hunt. And it's our representation of hunting perfection, innovation and quality. So Rory Wild is our group foreman. It's Rory's job to very much oversee production over both sides, driving quality and driving a positive culture throughout the workforce.
What we specialise in is skill set. The workforce is critical. They need to all meet the same standards. So we hand select the best in the industry. We have a great fabrication team. They do all the external cutting out the windows, glaze them, all the metal work, strip outs of the vehicles. Our skilled auto electricians design all the looms in-house, and they are the best in the market. And everything that goes through has to be quality, quality, quality. I'm excited about the future for the Venari Group.
Our obsession and our mantra is driven by obsession. But what does that mean? Driven by obsession is obsession for perfection, obsession in quality, obsession in culture, and obsession in the family spirit. As a high quality UK manufacturer, we know the better job we can do and the absolute best job that we do, then together with emergency services and UK manufacturing, that we can save as many lives together as possible on the front line.